My name is Gelila and I serve as the Social Media and Student Services Assistant for the Department of Sociology, and I've been working here since this past fall. And the responsibilities in my role consist of content creation for all of the department's social media accounts, as well as student engagement events and assisting with those. My favorite part of my job is that I get to take part in a variety of tasks, and this allows me to connect with different professors, advisors, and students as well to collaborate and bring our ideas to life. A project that I'm really proud of was the series of posts and content that we got out for Giving Day. So we were able to create videos and different kinds of posts. And I think what made it very special is that it allowed us to connect with the professors and the students and actually put faces to names and not just have posts that don't include actual people in them. Something that I've been focusing on this past semester and this semester as well is bringing more life to the social media pages by allowing different people within the department to get involved. I would say that I balance this role with school or other campus involvements by prioritizing communication. Something that my supervisor and I are really big about is making sure we're always on the same page. The competency that I've developed the most is creativity and problem solving, because in this role, I've had to look deeper into what kind of content will reach our audience the best. And in the process of doing that, I feel like we've better connected with our students and our professors and our advisors.
My name is Elizabeth Manns. I'm the undergraduate student services and administrative manager for the Department of Sociology here at Virginia Tech. I've been here for about a year and a half. And my primary responsibilities include managing our student workers, all the administrative pieces of the sociology department, and assisting our undergraduate students with navigating college. Here in our office, we have an internship that works with our social media accounts, as well as creating flyers and various content and things like that. We also have 4 student worker positions that are assistants for our department. They help with things like marketing and outreach, different things as far as printing, helping faculty, helping other students, taking voicemail messages, answering any questions, those kinds of things. I hope that students get some transferable skills that they can take into the workplace. Having been a person that used to work in workforce development, I understand the value of those transferable skills. So being able to communicate effectively, so general word processing skills, things that they can just apply once they graduate. Some things have to be learned. They are not necessarily inherent in us. So making sure that skills like timeliness and documenting work and things like that are really important for our students to learn before they head into the workplace. I think having student workers is valuable because primarily the student workers that we hire are our majors. So our students can talk to prospective students or incoming students about what their experience looks like. I think that is incredibly valuable when we are trying to attract incoming students. The thing I would highlight about my students is that they are go-getters. Each of them has their own lived experiences and they bring different strengths to the table. And that's one of the things that I like about having student workers is them bringing their strengths so that we can figure out how to utilize those strengths in the best possible way for the benefit of the department.